Here we go. Here's our little Poco at 6 weeks old. Liam and Aiden love him, and so does Mike.
No, careful.
And today is September 16th. Was the 16th today? 2007. And he's being tormented by the boys already. It begins. Whoa, careful, guys. Here we go. Look at him. He's big. He's about 15 pounds.
Has he gone in a cage yet?
Yeah, sometimes during the day when it's hot.
Try not to shake it. Poco, hi. Where are you? Hi. Hi, it's okay. Look, there's your brothers. Oh, you stick. Oh, don't make him eat grass. Oh, 5 seconds left, Poco. 5 seconds.